Hey team, Aviv with Rafael and Iris Roofing, and we're here in beautiful Sherman Oaks. We have a full replacement of a roof. I'm here waiting for the inspector. We got the material on the roof, and I want to talk to you about the warranty, the Owens Corning preferred warranty. So as you can see, this was a shingle tear-off. We did some wood replacement, waiting for the inspector to give us an okay. We got the material ready, so as soon as the inspector gives us an okay, we are good to go. The back half of the roof is covered with plastic. We had maybe 1% chance of rain last night, so we covered it not to take any chance, especially when you cover an AC. You can't use it, it's gonna choke itself. And when it comes to the preferred warranty, as a preferred contractor with Owens Corning, we offer customers a 10-year labor warranty from Owens Corning directly. And then of course, 50-year for the material. So after 10 years, you guys are still covered for 50 years, 50 for the material itself with Owens Corning. In order to do that, in order for you guys to get it, we have to use solid sheeting. So this is plywood, where pieces of plywood are next to each other. Take in consideration that some roofs have wood slats or wood planks, where you have a little bit gap, about half an inch, and then that doesn't work for the warranty. So now we got the solid sheeting, we got plywood, that's good. Let's talk about what we need to install on the roof. So the accessories that are required are Owens Corning underlayment. This is the Titanium 50 right here. It says here Titanium 50. That goes on the surface of the roof. We have peel and stick, gotta be by Owens Corning as well. It's gonna go in the valleys and penetration points. Then we're going for the starter shingle, gotta be Owens Corning as well. And of course, the shingles themselves, we're using the Duration Cool Plus. Duration Cool Plus, customer here chose copper trail. And something that a lot of roofers are cutting corners with, that hip and ridge shingle by Owens Corning. A lot of roofers will use Rapid Ridge, which is amazing ridge cap, but take in consideration that it will not give you the preferred warranty. So if you do everything by the book and by the requirements of Owens Corning, you will, of course, we also need to register you as the preferred contractor. But if we did everything, we registered, by the way, it costs money, so we do pay Owens Corning for that. You will have a 10-year full workmanship warranty directly from Owens Corning, as well as a 50-year material warranty from Owens Corning as well. And you will get the certificate directly from Owens Corning. It's very important to make sure that you are getting it from the Owens Corning, not just from the contractor, because if the contractor is going out of business in 1 year, nobody you can talk to. Owens Corning, it's been in business for more than 100 years. They actually invented the asphalt shingles. That's it, that's for now. Again, Aviv with Rafael and Iris Roofing. If you want to give us a call for a free estimate, click the link below over here, and you see our phone number, 818-629-9994. Bye guys.